Good morning, families and friends. You see, my topic for this morning is nothing stays hidden. I want you to picture this moment. Joshua stands before all Israel, tribes by tribe, family by family, name by name. The circle gets smaller, and somewhere inside the crowd, Achan's heart is pounding. He knows what he did, and he stole what belongs to God, and he buried it under the tent, or his tent. You see, he had so many chances to step forward. When Judah was chosen, he stayed quiet. When his clan was chosen, he stayed quiet. When his family was chosen, he stayed quiet. Only when he had no place left to hide did he finally confess. And here's what this entire process shows us. Number one, God sees what we bury. See, Achan thought no one knew, but God knew exactly where the treasure was hidden. There is no secret before the one who sees in the dark. Number two, God gives time to repent. The slow and steady search wasn't for God's benefit, it was for Achan's heart. You see, God wasn't just exposing, he was inviting. He gives us every chance to come forward willingly. Number three, hidden sin affects more than just us. You see, Achan's secret cost soldiers their lives. His private choice brought public defeat. See, sin always impacts someone else, even when we think it doesn't. So here's the lesson for us today. See, hidden sin leads to visible defeat. Don't wait for God to corner you before you confess. Don't let pride keep you silent. Don't pretend everything is fine while something buried is poisoning your life. See, today, God is asking each of us, what are you hiding that I want to heal? See, he doesn't expose to shame, he exposes to save. See, if you hear God's voice, respond today, not later, not when everything collapses, but now, because the moment you bring sin into the light is the moment God starts bringing victory back into your life. God bless.